Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So we only have a couple days left of the month. I'm kind of curious to see how this monthly candle closes. I'm kind of curious to see if it's got a big old wick on the bottom or not. I mean, at this point, it does look like it possibly should go down and retest these lows before it really does go up. But if we get a break of structure to the upside on shorter time frames, I'm definitely going to be going long because I still wouldn't be surprised if this move down was just a bear trap, something prior to the election, and then it just keeps on going up like we were originally thinking. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, definitely looks like it's making like a double three. It looks like 1, 2, 3 down. It looks like 1, 2, 3 up, which is why you would expect us either see 1, 2, 3 down like that for a WXY, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down for an ABC, like a 3, 3, 5 pattern. But like I said, if we get that break of structure on shorter time frames, I definitely will be going long. I would be expecting the next move up to be a correction to this move down, but just in case it decides to just keep on going, I definitely will be taking that long. Going down to the daily time frame, the structure break that I would be looking for is right here. When it breaks, and if it breaks that structure, I think that will confirm this whole move down is over. Now, this move down should be either a wave A of a wave Y, like a WXY pattern, or it's a wave 1 of like an ABC, so a wave 1 of wave C. But like I said, if we break structure, I definitely am going to be taking it for a long, and if it does something like this, then I'll obviously get out and go short again. Or if it just keeps on going and going and going, then I'll just continue to trade with the trend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we technically definitely have not broken any structure yet. We have made a couple pretty significant higher lows, and this move as of now does kind of have that ABC shape to it, so we really can't rule out the possibility that this is just going to go down again. Until it actually gets a break and hold above structure, we cannot rule out the possibility that the trend is still down and that it may still continue down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, very strong move to the upside this morning. If you watched my video last night, I was saying that it's probably going to at least go up to one of these fib levels because it definitely looks like an ABC. Now it may not be an ABC, it could end up being a 1, 2, 3, and if it is a 1, 2, 3, it will go up and it will break this structure level that we've been waiting for. If it does break and hold above this structure where this blue box is, then I definitely will turn into a buyer long term because it's going to pretty much proved to me that the wave A or wave 1 on like the daily time frame to the downside is complete. On the other hand, it looks like an ABC, so if it bounces from this fib level, makes like that double top, that 3, 4, 5 shape with a nice engulfing move to the downside, you better believe that I will definitely take it as another sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend possibly. Like I always say, the trend is not over until we get that break of structure on the correctly tuned time frame. And we definitely do not have that yet, so the trend is definitely still down. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.